guys, welcome to my empty apartment tour. All right, so when you first walk in, we have a laundry room, which I'm super excited about because now I don't have to leave my building or, you know, go down the hall to wash my clothes, which is perfect. You know, staying on campus 2 years, that was getting really dreadful. And then we are going to be walking into the kitchen, dining, and living room space. So this is my kitchen. And then we have a nice sized pantry. And a pretty spacious kitchen. And I love how we have a high table as our dining table. And then over here is our living room space. And by the way, this is student housing apartment, so it did come fully furnished. And then out here we have the balcony. And then walking forward here, this will be my room back here. Came with the bed frame, dresser, and the nightstand. I am so excited to show you guys when it is going to be complete. Oh my goodness, if you saw my apartment haul, then you're gonna know it's gonna be really, really cute. But this right here is the main reason why I chose this apartment, you guys. Just check this closet out. It's a nice walk-in size closet. Which I'm super excited about because being an out-of-state student, it was always hard for me to, you know, bring a whole bunch of clothes, my winter, my spring, my fall, summer, all that. And now I don't have to store it under the bed because I have this pretty spacious closet to store my things. And then we walk into the bathroom. By the way, I have 4 roommates. We all have singles, our own bedroom, and then our own bathroom. So this is how the bathroom looks. And I love this little medicine cabinet that comes with it. It's rainy today, you guys, so disregard that. Say hey, Mom.
Hi.
And then, to show you guys, this is one of my roommate's rooms. Another thing I love about these apartments, this apartment in particular, is the size. Like, we really have good spacing. And then down the hallway is my other 2 roommates' room. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to decorate this and show you guys how it turns out. So stay tuned for that video.